Today I want to showcase my client's B&O OLED TV. As you know, the OLED TV itself is made by LG, and the B&O part is the theatrics, the motorization, and the lifestyle application of it. Just start from the remote. It's sleek, slim, but it's properly weighted, and the weight distribution is also perfect, so it's not top heavy. It's made from one piece of machined aluminum, and it feels luxurious. Now let's turn on the TV and witness the poise and the grandeur of starting this B&O TV. You can't hear the motor running at all. It's smooth and extremely quiet. Press this and then go to settings. Enter. From there, press the arrow down until it goes to all settings. Press enter. Go to the picture, select mode, and make sure you are under ISF Expert. That's it. And then you go to advanced settings, press enter, go to clarity, go super resolution and put it to low. Don't forget to put the smooth gradation to low as well, because as long as you're watching streaming or cable TV, you need the gradation to be smoothened. And now, watch the TV being turned off. It is so beautiful. Please share your thoughts about this TV and its grandeur and epic turning on and turning off feature. And thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.